Welcome to Neokloud. This is not about any specific topic. It's simply to share what kind of content you'll find here. Over time, many people have benefited from this channel. I have also learned a lot from all of you, and I'm grateful for everyone who shared their success stories with us. This channel is started with a simple thought. If I can spark even a little interest in Kubernetes, people will figure out what they want to learn next. And today, seeing your feedback, I truly feel that purpose is being fulfilled. I want to say a big thank you to everyone, especially those who supported me from the beginning. Many of you have shared your achievement and appreciation. I'm proud of each one of you. And yes, you could be next one to share your success story with us. So this is a small video, just a walkthrough of what inside in this channel and what you can explore here. Yes, I refined this script with the help of ChatGPT, but the feeling behind it is all mine. Thank you once again. Seriously, a big thank you to all. So your complete Kubernetes learning hub, everything you need, master CKA, CKS, and CKAD, and many more topics. Organized, updated, and designed self-paced success. CKA 2025, your path to certification. Core concept plus lab, real exam mock questions, and power pack bundles. These are the playlist. You can find many more playlists which is organized time to time according to the needs. Here 2025, but soon it will be updated for 2026 also. So there are few labs which I have made earlier. I have also made many labs, but time to time improvement needed, so I have deleted that lab. But these are the working labs. So there are many shorts also, and really that short is I feel that is creative, but maybe it is bored or something, but it's a little 5 or 10 second short, so you can view it. It's not a waste of time. So Neokloud community, so you can join our Telegram channel where I'll share my any pics, videos, or related with the Kubernetes and cloud things. So I post in Neokloud channel that excuses small questions. So it is not mandatory to click that question, but time to time it will create a discipline and interest in the topic, and many surprises we can reveal, and with the help of this quizzes. So in Telegram we post that, so if you can join, you can have benefited. In YouTube channel also, you can, if you go to the post section, you will find that thing. And so many thing is planned, but I get a little time to do many things. So WhatsApp and website I'm planning to launch. And if you feel that you are stuck somewhere or you need to connect with us, so you can connect with us at the neocloud.cloud@gmail.com. And yes, so final thought is that I may not teach you everything, but I hope to trigger your interest, keep you consistent, and help you build a strong skill in Kubernetes and cloud technology, concept by concept, lab by lab. So Kubernetes certification journey start here. So you can choose playlist and join community and master cloud native together. So it's not you one person cannot teach everything. So maybe you find some some topics a little old, but the concept behind the topic would be the same. So we'll meet in next video, and there will progress on our CKA full course, which is 40% I think completed, 35% is completed. So thanks again, and your support. Thank you again, and serious a big thank you to all of you.